How to fix Roomba C510 error. So what it means as well. So first of all, the C510 error pretty much means there is a connectivity or a communication issue between your Roomba and the iRobot app. So it usually appears when the robot cannot properly connect to Wi-Fi, loses communication with iRobot servers, or experience a temporary software glitch. So we can just go ahead and show you a few simple things you could try to potentially help you with your problem. So the first one is you can go ahead and try restarting your Roomba itself. So to take a closer look on your Roomba, there should be a very visible button in the middle, which is the clean button. So you should be already familiar with that button. So you're gonna have to press and hold the clean button all in the middle for around 15 to 20 seconds. So you're just gonna have to wait for a reboot sound or a light reset. So you're gonna have to let the robot fully restart. So if you do that, this can clean temporary software glitches. Another thing you can do is to just restart your phone and router. So go to your smartphone and then go to your Wi-Fi router. But as long as you try to reset your connections, you're gonna have to wait until the internet connection is stable, since weak or unstable Wi-Fi is a common cause of this error. Next is to just check your Wi-Fi connection in general. So make sure your Roomba is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since many models don't support 5 GHz just yet. So ensure the signal is strong where the Roomba dock is placed, or just avoid guests or restricted networks. You can also make sure your iRobot app is installed, or by installed I mean updated to the latest version. So on your phone where you have the app, go to the Play Store or App Store, then search up the app itself and update the app to the latest version. Reopen the app as well and reconnect your Roomba. So outdated apps can cause communication errors. So once you open up the iRobot app, you can check for any firmware updates. Install updates while the Roomba is docked and charging, and firmware updates often fix known error codes like C510. But overall, the best thing you can do as of now is to just go ahead and try restarting the Roomba itself, or just try doing the reconnection process all over again. Since if it did work in the first place, then that's what you can do. But those are a few things you can try to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.